Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Hasya Septiawati, a student at Ibnu Khaldun University Bogor, Islamic Broadcasting Communication Study Program. Honorable Mr. Alan Jailani as a lecturer in the English course. On this occasion, I will present material on journalistic language as a final semester exam. The sub-material to be discussed is news value, them, focus, and news angle, and the last, news structure. First, there is the notion of journalistic. Journalistic is the process of collecting data and judgment in the field, to then be produced into a complete story, which will then be disseminated through the mass media. Despite the different platforms, television, radio, as well as print and online media have one thing in common, namely using language as a means of conveying information to the public. Language gives context and describes, and even it is no exaggeration if then language is placed as the lifeblood of the mass media. Next, the meaning of journalistic language. Journalistic language has certain specifications so that it can be understood properly and correctly by the public. Journalists must write news in a simple way considering the diversity of society, concise, straightforward, clear, and interesting. Then there is the attitude that a journalist must have. 1. Accuracy. The main thing to put forward is accuracy. To produce it, every journalist must carry out verification, and verification. Journalists can make correction to the news they make. However, just one spreading fake news. Not only credibility is at stake, but also has a negative impact that can be detrimental. It is very difficult to build trust from the public again because the mistake will always be remembered. Being directly at the scenes, then meeting and asking the people involved, it is the best way to get news accuracy. The second is objective. Journalists must prioritize objectivity. Objectivity shows the neutrality of a journalist. He still presents correct information, even if it goes against his personal value. Using adjective is an example of the subjectivity of a journalist. And the last, fair and balanced. Objectivity also means being honest and fair in reporting. Journalists must be able to see the truth amidst the turbidity of an event. Don't just give room to certain parties. Also, give other parties the opportunity to speak up so that a clear and correct news construction is built. Next, news value. News contains a variety of information for the public. However, not every event contains appropriate information to be disseminated through the mass media. Only events that have news value deserve coverage until they are published. The first one of news value is proximity. Based on the region, there are 3 news choices that enter the editorial desk every day to be considered for broadcast. The one is local news. Local news will always be top priority because the location where it happens is very close to the viewers. Viewers will care deeply about what happens to the surroundings because of the odds large or indeed relate to their daily lives. The second is national news. Almost all national news relates to the interests of viewers in their respective regions. And the last, international news. International news can be of interest if the incident is extraordinary. The proximity factor in the news is divided into three. The first is the proximity of the location. The second, the proximity of the psychological. And the last, the proximity of the ideological. The second of news value is conflict. Conflict has the potential to arouse viewers' emotion because there is emotional tension in it. Local conflicts that are often raised in the news are usually related to social issues, but horizontally among citizens and vertically between residents and the government. Interesting conflicts also come from the economics, political, cultural, defense, and security fields. Personal conflicts are often present as news material when they involve figures who are well known to the public. The third of news value is impact. Impact is an important thing to pay attention to because it will answer the question why the public needs and cares about certain news. The bigger and wider the impact, the greater the audience attention to a news. Topics that viewers watch a lot for because they have a direct impact on viewers are usually related to the following. The first is security. Viewers will be very worried about information that threatens their safety, let alone their lives. That is why news about crime, terrorism, and disaster receives special attention. The second is finance. The value of currency depreciates because money is an integral part of everyone's daily life. The third is distraction. Something that disturbs the comfort of society is important for viewers to know. For example, the problem of transportation. And the last is choice. In everyday life, people also base their choice on the media they access. The fourth of news value is human interest. Human personal life that touch human feelings so deeply is a message of humanity. The news can be about sincerity, pain, struggle, endurance, determination, compassion, the joy of human children in living a life that inspires or encourages people to do good and positive things. The five of news value is magnitude. Extraordinary events with strong appeal are news that always interest the public. The tsunami disaster in Aceh has extraordinary appeal. News about the economic recession also has high appeal because viewers can map out the condition and then more or less can get information on the way out to be taken. And the sixth of news value is actual. Novelty or actuality indicates that the information conveyed has never existed or occurred. The actuality of the news is based on the following three things. One is calendar actuality. Refers to events that have been listed or have been scheduled on the Christian calendar such as holidays, or special calendars such as academic calendars, government calendars, mass organization calendars, or socio-cultural and tourism calendars. The second is time actuality, related to events that occurred such as disasters, mass strikes, acts of terrorism, and crime. And the third, actuality of the problem, which is related to the novelty of the problem. For example, human rights issues, corruption issues, education and health, which at the time were new things. The seventh of news value is public figure. The things he does relate to the public interest will become the center of attention of viewers. The private life of the character behind his formal role is also often used as news material. Figures can be determined by their political position, ability, expertise, knowledge, effort, steps, or other things that make the public give respect and salute to those concerned. The eighth of news value is unusualness, something that is different because it is not common or even unusual because of its popularity is unique. One thing that is unique rarely happens, exists or is encountered every day. Uniqueness is not only in people, it can also be in any object, including place, process, motives, even natural phenomena. The ninth of news value is surprising. A different situation or outcome, even contrary the calculation or logic, is a surprise. Surprise appeal is its ability to mix the feelings of the viewer or reader. And the second of news value is sect. Journalists must choose and sort out which sect news is important, necessary, and useful for publication. The packaging of sect news must be careful because journalists must protect the identities of the people involved in it for the sake of ethics. Next, zoom, focus, and news angle. There is every news content elements in it. These elements are absolutely present in a story so that viewers can understand information from an event or phenomenon that is conveyed properly so that they do not misinterpret it. News elements, namely 5W and 1H. There is what, who, where, when, why, and how. Next, the first one is them. Each news is in one main them. However, it is impossible to report on an event by relying solely on the them, because the them is very general, need another guide to simplify the process of reporting and conveying information, so that viewers can understand the essence of the news that is broadcast very well. The second is focus. For this reason, a journalist must determine the focus of coverage. Focus on narrowing the theme that will be raised in an event or story. The focus will be to keep the coverage more focused so that it doesn't spill over to other irrelevant matters. There are many important aspects in a news story. With a focus, journalists can choose and sort out which information should be conveyed to the public and which information should not be present. In determining the focus, set the goal of the news to be made. Gather as much information as possible and understand them as best you can. That way the focus will be easier to determine, sharper and more useful to the viewer. And the last is angle. After determining the focus, the main theme must then be narrowed down in a news angle. Viewers need something more and different from the news that is present. For this reason, the key to success lies in determining the news angle. The news angle is the point of view which is then used as the main focus of a television journalist in covering an event. Next, the function of the news angle. The first one, being different from the work of other journalists. The second, give a new special appeal. And the last, maintaining the focus of the news so that viewers can more easily understand the news. The most effective way to determine a news angle is to test how interesting the elements of the news or news value are contained in an event. Next, news structure. The topic has been selected, the focus has been obtained, the angle T has been determined. Journalists then get a lot of information from the result of their coverage. The various information is then complete in a news package with various forms. You can arrange it arbitrarily. You need a separate way so that viewers are interested and at the same time can digest the contents of the news properly. By understanding the coverage material as a whole, journalists will be able to know very well how to open a story, build a new body, and end of a story. The first one of news structure is hook. The first impression determines whether or not a news is watched as a whole. Therefore, the news must be made as attractive as possible from the first opportunity. Give the public something binding at the start of the story. Likewise, the news presents something that is selected on the front so that viewers are intrigued. When successful, viewers are more likely to follow the next chapter to the end of the story. The second of news structure is context. After successfully attracting viewers to watch the news at the first opportunity, the next thing to do is provide relevant explanation of the information. Convey basic data regarding who, what, when, where, and primary information that provides subsequent explanation of the story for the viewer. The third of news structure is unfolding. Next is to provide additional information that can bind viewers, present more information on the selected news angle. Elements of how and why, pros and cons to something emotional can also be conveyed here. In this section, the climax of the story can be placed. Interviews with key information are reason to support the story in the news. And the last is wrap. At the end of the news, secondary information can be present. If there is a need for another background from the elements of the news, it will cover the news well. Viewers need to stay up to date. Alhamdulillah, all material has been explained. Then, go to discussion session. If you want to ask, you can send it via the YouTube comment column. From the material previously described, it can be concluded, journalistic is the process of collecting data and facts in the field to be produced into complete news and disseminated through the mass media. Journalistic language has certain specifications so that it can be understood properly and correctly by the public. Attitude that a journalist should have, the first one is accuracy, the second is objective, and the last fair and balanced. Next, news contains a variety of information for the public. Only events that have news value are worthy of being covered and published. News value, the first one is proximity, conflict, impact, human interest, magnitude, actual, public figure, usualness, surprising, and the last is sex. Next, each news item contains the following elements. Is who, what, where, when, why, and how. Each news is in one main theme, and the focus of the news will keep the coverage more focused so that it does not spread to other things that are not relevant. The news angle is the point of view that is the main focus of journalistic in reporting. News structures is hook, context, unfolding, and the last is wraps. That's all for me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.